Starting a business with $500 can be challenging, but it's definitely possible. Here are 10 ideas for businesses you can start with a limited budget, just after the opening. Okay, let's begin. 1. Freelance writing or content creation. Freelance writing is a popular business idea because it requires minimal investment and offers a lot of flexibility. As a freelance writer, you can work from anywhere and you can choose the type of writing you want to do. Here are some of the types of writing you can offer as a freelance writer. 1. Blog posts. You can write blog posts for businesses or individuals who need content for their websites. Blogging is an effective way to attract traffic to a website, so there is a high demand for quality blog content. 2. Social media posts. You can create social media posts for businesses that need help with their social media presence. Social media is an important marketing tool, and many businesses struggle to create engaging content on a consistent basis. 3. Website copy. You can write website copy for businesses that need help with their messaging. Website copy includes the text on a website's homepage, about page, and product or service pages. 4. Email newsletters. You can write email newsletters for businesses that need help with their email marketing. Email newsletters are a great way to stay in touch with customers and promote products or services. 5. White papers or ebooks. You can write white papers or ebooks for businesses that want to establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry. White papers and ebooks are longer, form content pieces that provide valuable information to readers. As a freelance writer, you can set your own rates and choose the projects you want to work on. You can find clients through freelance marketplaces like Upwork or Fiverr, or you can reach out to businesses directly. With time and experience, you can build a portfolio of work and develop a reputation as a reliable and skilled writer. Next, number 2, online tutoring or coaching. Online tutoring or coaching involves providing one-on-one or group instruction to students or clients over the internet. The internet has made it easier than ever to connect with people from all over the world, making online tutoring and coaching a viable business option for anyone with knowledge or expertise in a particular area. Here are a few things you should consider if you're interested in starting an online tutoring or coaching business. 1. Identify your niche. What subject or area are you particularly knowledgeable in? Whether it's math, science, music, or business, identifying your niche is the first step in developing your business. 2. Determine your target audience. Who are you hoping to help with your tutoring or coaching services? Are you targeting students who need help with their schoolwork, or are you targeting professionals who want to improve their skills in a particular area? 3. Choose a platform. There are a variety of platforms you can use to conduct your tutoring or coaching sessions online, including Skype, Zoom, and Google Meet. Consider the features, ease of use, and pricing of each platform before deciding which one to use. 4. Set your rates. Consider what others in your field are charging and determine your rates accordingly. You may want to start with lower rates to attract clients and build your reputation, and then raise your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. 5. Market your services. Advertise your tutoring or coaching services on social media, on your website, or through word of mouth. Consider offering a free trial session to attract new clients. With dedication and hard work, online tutoring or coaching can be a rewarding and lucrative business. By providing valuable instruction and support to your clients, you can help them achieve their goals and make a positive impact on their lives. And now number 3, social media management. Social media has become an essential part of modern marketing, and many businesses are in need of skilled professionals to help them manage their online presence. As a social media manager, your job would be to create and curate content for a business's social media accounts, engage with followers, and analyze social media metrics to determine what strategies are working and what could be improved. Here are some steps you can take to start a social media management business. 1. Develop your skills. Familiarize yourself with the various social media platforms and learn how to create engaging content that will resonate with your client's target audience. You may also want to take courses or attend webinars to learn about the latest social media marketing techniques and trends. 2. Build your portfolio. As you gain experience managing social media accounts, start building a portfolio of your work. This could include social media accounts you've managed in the past, case studies, or testimonials from satisfied clients. 3. Define your services. Decide what services you will offer as a social media manager. Will you create content, manage social media ads, or provide social media strategy consulting? Define your services clearly so potential clients know what they can expect from you. 4. Set your rates. Determine what you will charge for your social media management services. Consider what others in your field are charging and your level of experience. You may want to start with lower rates to attract clients and build your reputation, and then raise your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. 5. Market your services. Advertise your social media management services on social media, on your website, or through word of mouth. Consider offering a free trial or consultation to potential clients to demonstrate your value. Social media management can be a rewarding and exciting business for those who enjoy working with social media and are interested in helping businesses succeed online. With the right skills and approach, you can build a successful social media management business from scratch. Let's go to the item 4. Pet sitting and dog walking. Pet sitting and dog walking are popular services for pet owners who need someone to look after their pets while they're away at work or on vacation. As a pet sitter or dog walker, your job would be to care for animals in the owner's home or yours, ensuring they are fed, walked, and given attention. Here are some steps you can take to start a pet sitting and dog walking business. 1. Develop your skills. If you love animals, pet sitting and dog walking can be an enjoyable business for you. You will need to have good communication skills with pet owners and be able to handle different types of pets. Consider taking Pet First Aid and Keep courses to improve your skills. 2. Build your network. Build your network by telling friends, family, and neighbors about your services. You may also want to join online communities for pet owners or pet sitters to connect with potential clients. 3. Set your rates. Determine what you will charge for your services. Consider what others in your area are charging and the level of experience you have. You may want to start with lower rates to attract clients and build your reputation, and then raise your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. 4. Establish your policies. Determine your policies around things like cancellations, last-minute bookings, and handling emergencies. Having clear policies in place will help you to manage your business more effectively. 5. Market your services. Advertise your pet sitting and dog walking services on social media, on your website, or through word of mouth. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new clients. Pet sitting and dog walking can be a rewarding business for those who love animals and want to help pet owners care for their furry friends. By providing quality care and attention to pets, you can build a loyal client base and make a positive impact on the lives of animals and their owners. Next one is number 5, house cleaning. House cleaning is a service that is always in demand, and it can be a great business idea for those who enjoy cleaning and organizing. As a house cleaner, your job would be to clean and tidy homes for your clients, including tasks such as vacuuming, dusting, and scrubbing bathrooms and kitchens. Here are some steps you can take to start a house cleaning business. 1. Develop your skills. You will need to have good cleaning skills and be able to pay attention to detail. Consider taking cleaning courses or watching tutorials online to improve your skills. 2. Build your network. Build your network by telling friends, family, and neighbors about your services. You can also join online communities for homeowners or local business groups to connect with potential clients. 3. Set your rates. Determine what you will charge for your services. Consider what others in your area are charging and your level of experience. You may want to start with lower rates to attract clients and build your reputation, and then raise your rates as you gain more experience and positive reviews. 4. Get your supplies. You will need to purchase cleaning supplies and equipment, such as a vacuum cleaner, mop, and cleaning solutions. Consider buying supplies in bulk to save money. 5. Market your services. Advertise your house cleaning services on social media, on your website, or through word of mouth. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new clients. House cleaning can be a great business idea for those who enjoy cleaning and want to help homeowners keep their homes tidy and organized. By providing quality cleaning services, you can build a loyal client base and make a positive impact on the lives of your clients. Hey, don't waste any more time and start transforming your life today. Click the button below to subscribe to our channel and get access to more amazing tips for achieving the success you deserve. Don't miss out on this opportunity and join our community to come closer to your success. Be a winner yourself. Click now. Well, talking about the item 6 now, gardening or landscaping, which is a business idea that involves designing, planting, and maintaining outdoor spaces such as gardens, lawns, and landscapes. Here are some steps you can take to start a gardening or landscaping business. 1. Determine your services. Determine what services you will offer, such as lawn maintenance, garden design, tree trimming, or irrigation system installation. 2. Acquire the necessary skills and equipment. Gain the necessary skills and knowledge to provide high-quality services. This may include taking courses, attending workshops, or gaining hands-on experience. You will also need to acquire the necessary equipment and tools such as lawnmowers, weed trimmers, pruning shears, and shovels. 3. Build your network. Build relationships with potential clients and other professionals in the industry. Consider joining local gardening or landscaping associations or attending industry events to network and learn from other professionals. 4. Determine your pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on factors such as the complexity of the project, materials and equipment needed, and your level of experience. 5. Market your services. Advertise your services through social media, flyers, or word of mouth referrals. Consider offering discounts or promotions to attract new clients. 6. Deliver high-quality services. Provide exceptional service and attention to detail to build a loyal client base and generate positive reviews and referrals. Starting a gardening or landscaping business can be a fulfilling and profitable venture for those who enjoy working outdoors and have a passion for design and plants. With the right skills and tools, you can create beautiful and functional outdoor spaces for your clients while building a successful business. Now we are almost finishing, but here's some more. Item 7. E-commerce. Sure, starting an e-commerce store is a great business idea that can be started with a limited budget. Here are some additional details on how to start an e-commerce store. Choose your niche. Before you start your e-commerce store, you need to decide what you want to sell. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has the potential for profitability. Choose a platform. There are many e-commerce platforms available that you can use to build your store. Shopify is one of those popular platforms for commerce businesses. It is user-friendly, affordable, and has a variety of features and integrations. Source your products. Depending on your niche, you may create your products or you may need to source them from a supplier. You can find suppliers through online directories like Alibaba or through trade shows and exhibitions. Build your store. Once you have chosen your platform and sourced your products, it's time to build your store. Use a template or theme to make your store look professional and attractive. Make sure to include high-quality product images and detailed descriptions. Set up payment and shipping options. You need to set up payment and shipping options for your customers. You can use payment gateways like PayPal or Stripe to process payments, and you can use shipping providers like USPS or FedEx to ship your products. Start marketing. Once your store is up and running, you need to start marketing it to attract customers. Use social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to promote your products and reach your target audience. Starting an e-commerce store does require some effort and investment, but it can be a profitable business with unlimited potential for growth. With the right strategy and execution, you can build a successful e-commerce business with a limited budget. Item 8 now. Graphic design or digital art, which is a business idea that involves creating visual designs for various purposes such as branding, marketing materials, packaging, and digital media. With the increasing demand for visual content, graphic design and digital art have become essential skills for businesses and individuals alike. Here are some steps you can take to start a graphic design or digital art business. 1. Build your skills. Build your skills in graphic design and digital art, including knowledge of design principles, color theory, typography, and software such as Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign. You can gain these skills through courses, workshops, or hands-on experience. 2. Build your portfolio. Build a portfolio of work that showcases your skills and experience. You can start by creating designs for personal projects or volunteering to create designs for friends or family. 3. Determine your services. Determine the services you will offer, such as logo design, print design, web design, or digital illustration. 4. Set your pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on the services you offer, your level of experience, and the complexity of the project. 5. Build your network. Build your network by connecting with other professionals in the industry and potential clients on social media or at networking events. 6. Market your services. Advertise your services through social media, job boards, or by contacting potential clients directly. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new clients. Starting a graphic design or digital art business can be a rewarding and lucrative venture for those with strong creative skills and a passion for design. By providing quality designs and exceptional customer service, you can build a loyal client base and help businesses or individuals enhance their visual presence and communicate their message effectively. Here comes a 9. Event planning or coordination, which is a business idea that involves planning and coordinating various types of events such as weddings, corporate events, conferences, and social events. With the busy lifestyles of people today, event planning and coordination have become an essential service for those who want to host events but do not have the time or expertise to plan them themselves. Here are some steps you can take to start an event planning or coordination business. 1. Determine your services. Determine the services you will offer, such as event design, vendor management, logistics, and on-site coordination. 2. Build your skills. Build your skills in event planning and coordination, including knowledge of event design, budget management, vendor negotiations, and project management. You can gain these skills through courses, workshops, or hands-on experience. 3. Build your portfolio. Build a portfolio of work that showcases your skills and experience. You can start by planning events for friends or family or volunteering to assist with events. 4. Set your pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on the services you offer, your level of experience, and the complexity of the event. 5. Build your network. Build your network by connecting with other professionals in the industry and potential clients at networking events. 6. Market your services. Advertise your services through social media, job boards, or by contacting potential clients directly. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new clients. Starting an event planning or coordination business can be a rewarding and exciting venture for those with strong organizational and interpersonal skills. By providing exceptional service and creating unforgettable experiences for clients, you can build a loyal client base and help people celebrate life's special moments. And finally, item 10. Virtual assistance or administrative support. Virtual assistance or administrative support is a business idea that involves providing administrative or clerical services to clients remotely using technology such as email, video conferencing, and online collaboration tools. As more businesses shift towards remote work and digital communication, the demand for virtual assistance has grown significantly. Here are some steps you can take to start a virtual assistance or administrative support business. 1. Determine your services. Determine the administrative or clerical services you will offer, such as email management, calendar scheduling, data entry, social media management, or customer service. 2. Build your skills. Build your skills in areas such as communication, organization, time management, and software such as Microsoft Office or Google Suite. You can gain these skills through courses, workshops, or hands-on experience. 3. Set up your workspace. Set up a home office or workspace with a reliable computer, high-speed internet connection, and any necessary software or equipment. 4. Determine your pricing. Determine your pricing structure based on the services you offer, your level of experience, and the complexity of the tasks. 5. Build your network. Build your network by connecting with potential clients on social media, job boards, or through referrals from existing clients. 6. Market your services. Advertise your services through social media, job boards, or by contacting potential clients directly. Consider offering promotions or discounts to attract new clients. Starting a virtual assistance or administrative support business can be a flexible and rewarding venture for those with strong organizational and communication skills. By providing efficient and reliable services to clients, you can help businesses or individuals focus on their core activities while reducing their administrative workload. Ready to turn your $500 into a profitable business? Don't wait any longer. Take action today. Whether you choose to start a personal coaching business, offer virtual assistance, or any of the other ideas we've shared, remember that the most successful entrepreneurs are the ones who take action. So take the first step now and start building the business of your dreams. See you in your next video.